let's look at this question. A car travels a total distance of 150 kilometers. After traveling part of the distance without any trouble, the car develops an engine problem and proceeds at two-thirds of its former speed and arrives the destination 48 minutes late. Had the problem developed 24 kilometers further on, the car would have arrived 12 minutes sooner. Find the original distance it traveled without any problem and the speed over that part of the journey. So the total distance is 150 kilometers. Let this be point A, let this be point B. So the distance for which it traveled at its normal speed, let this be point C, and this AC is going to be the distance on which it traveled its normal speed. Let its normal speed be 3y. And after this, for the distance CB, the car traveled at a two-thirds of its original speed. So this speed is going to be 2y. So this is case 1, and in case 2, the car develops an engine problem 24 kilometer further from point C. So let this be point D and this is going to be 24. So this 24 kilometers, the car traveled at its normal speed, that is 3y. So for this whole journey from A to D, the car traveled at 3y. But in case 1, from A to C, the car traveled at 3y, and from C to B, so there is going to be point D somewhere here, and this is going to be 24. In the first case, the car traveled at 2y kilometers per hour. So when the speed is increased from 2y to 3y, the car gains 12 minutes. So the distance, which is 24 upon 2y minus 24 upon 3y, the car gains 12 minutes, 12 upon 60. So from this, y would come out to be 20. So the distance for which car travels at its normal speed is 3y, which is going to be 60. So now for 24 minutes, it takes, for 24 kilometers, it takes 12 minutes. It saves 12 minutes with its reduced speed. So for 48 minutes for which the car got late, this would be 24 into 4, 96 kilometers. So the distance for which car traveled at its problemed speed, which is 2y, is 96 kilometers, and the total distance is 150 kilometers. So the distance for which car traveled without any problem is going to be 150 minus 96, which is going to be 54 kilometers. So the distance that it traveled without any problem is 54 kilometer, and the speed, its original speed, is 60 kilometers per hour. So our answer is option number D.